Giving gifts to our loved ones is very important, especially during some kind of special celebration. If offer a charitable way to celebrate love, commitment, and shared milestones together as a symbol of our enduring bond as a partner in life. I ordered this one in AliExpress as a gift for him. This item is not so expensive. Offering a gift is not all about the price, is in the value of love. The important thing is it comes from my heart. This is a new stainless steel watch for men, personalized passion quartz, made of high quality, suitable for daily use, excellent craftsmanship, easy to read dial with the display. Really great value for its price. It look classy and elegant, perfect for any outfit. Because of its stylish design, this product is quite impressive. The resemblance of the watch look like the million-worth Rolex watch, but in a cheaper price because it satisfy me. I'm surely, but another like this next time, but a different design. This kind of watch is one of a kind. Its conceptual design giving a large dial with large luminous scale, marked large-scale timing, with word cycle and large dial display atmospheric character. It has luminous epic. The printer use purpose, the more sufficient the light, the stronger the fluorescent epic at night. The base in it also that it's made of high hardness mineral tempered, glassware resistant and scrap resistant. This watch is easy to take. Passion watches are more than just time-telling device. It's a versatile accessories that can elevate personal style. It's make a statement and even serve as a form of self-expression. It can add touch of elegance, sophistication, or bold statement to any outfit, making it available additional to any wardrobe. Overall, guys, this product exceeds my expectation. Its quality and style is very nice, super recommendable. Instead of constantly reaching for your phone, a watch helps you to maintain focus, be more mindful, and fully engage with the people around you. This is an essential part of every man's wardrobe. So guys, if you're looking for a new piece of jewelry that will give your outfit an extra dash of style, everything you need is visit AliExpress and make it worth considering for your next purchase. Thank you.